Hi guys, here's our footage from last week's game against Richmond. I have a couple of videos for us to have a look at together today. It should only take about 5 minutes, but it will allow us to see how he played off of clear turnovers and how he used this opportunity to work off the ball to create space and maintain ball possession, thus better controlling the pace of the game. Alright, so we'll go up here to our first video, click play. Okay, so we've taken the mark in backfield. We're looking for space. We've found that space. We realised the only two players down this half of the field, or this quarter, were our number 22 and Richmond's defender. The rest are all coming across field, which will create a lot of, or ideally create a lot of space opportunities for us to kick. Now, the issue here is, we'll wait for everyone to come across. On. Fast forward. Okay, about here. If we count the players, our Carlton players, we have one. I'll just circle them so we can better see them. That's 2, 3, one up here. All 4 of these guys are being closely marked, which means they're basically unideal kicking opportunities. And it might be hard to actually notice, but he's Richmond, he's Richmond, he's Richmond, and he's Richmond. So out of these 5 players coming across from the centre field, only one of ours are Carlton. Ideally, we want to be kicking to space at the boundary up in this channel here. Okay, it's a bit hard to do that when we don't have anyone there and when our defenders are marked. So therefore, we need to look for more space, more opportunity. So the video doesn't actually go to that long, but 22 actually ends up kicking back to the left side of our field, and we then lose the ball after that, just due to Richmond putting excessive pressure on us. But yes, we want to be able to get more centre field players up in this section, just have more players working off the ball, creating more opportunities for 22 to get a nice easy kick. Okay, so this second video sort of highlights another issue that we had off clear turnovers. So we've been given the clear turnover here. We're looking for space, and we've just sort of allowed Richmond a little bit too much time to get off the ball. We do want to hug the boundary, but as you can see here, along the boundary there are, again, we'll just count our guys. We'll exclude this fella. We have one player here, and actually off screen there is 2 players, one Carlton and one Richmond about here, and they'll be coming up to receive the kick. So we'll get rid of that. Yeah. Oh, sorry, I lied. We had one back here, but 2 Richmond players. And basically, if we go back a little bit, everyone in this section was essentially Richmond. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Where the Carlton we had 1, 2, 3. So that's creating double the amount of players in this small space that are going to head in for this contest, which actually after this scenario, Richmond were able to turn over the ball in the contest and kick it back towards their forward 50, our backfield. Yep, so it's a messy 3-on-1, and we just have to try to rush and get it away. Really, at the start here, we need to be better finding that space, better working off the ball, trying to pull Richmond's defence. So maybe even kicking to this fella here in the centre field. Okay, so our final video. Here we go. Great, we've taken the mark in backfield. Clear turnover, we're slowing it down. And just once again, we've sort of just tried to rush it a little bit, trying to catch Richmond offside. But if we go here, sorry about the footage, guys, it's just a little bit messy. But yeah, you can sort of see we've just rushed it. Easily could have been another mark if we just took a little bit of time. It would have been more ideal if this player here could have taken the mark. once again, a couple centre field guys. In this scenario, we're actually looking better for numbers, getting closer to that edge, the boundary, in order to mark the ball in our centre field and press it up to our forward 50. But yeah, guys, that's all today for the video analysis of last weekend's game on clear turnovers. And yeah, to, I guess, summarise everything, what we need to be doing at training this week and just keeping our minds on during the game is really just trying to work off that ball and find the space, draw the defence out, and hopefully we can score some more points. Thanks.